Okay, come to the exercise 12.1. 12.1. 12.1. ठीक है? डिवीजन है ना? डिवीजन स्ट्रेट लाइन. ठीक है? चलो अर्पिता पांडे. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. Okay. If I ask you what is the equation of x-axis, then what will you say here?
सी के बच्चों सेक्शन सी ठीक है. सेक्शन सी स्टूडेंट्स एक कॉपी ले लो. आइए
Equation of x-axis means the coordinate of y will be on y-axis 0. ठीक है? So equation of x-axis is y equals 0 because on x-axis y coordinate is 0. Similarly, equation of y-axis x equals 0 because on y-axis x coordinate is 0. Clear है? ठीक है ना? आगे देखो. Suppose that there is a line which makes an intercept of C along y-axis and makes some angle with the positive direction of with the x-axis. Then the equation of that line is y equal mx plus c. You know, c is what? Y intercept. C is what? Y intercept. Yeah, this distance. M is what? Slope. M is slope and is defined as y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus. This is also equal to tan theta. ठीक है ना? M equal tan theta या y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus. If this line passes through the origin, if this line passes through the origin, then y equal mx. ठीक? In this case, if the line passes through the this line, this is y equal mx because there is no intercept along y-axis, so c equal 0 and this will be y equal mx. Clear? Everyone is clear? Come to question exercise 12.1. Be ready with your pen and paper because you have to do calculation. 12.1. The first part is theta equal 45 degree and the question is what is slope? Then what will you do here? M equal tan 45 and tan 45 equal if theta equal 30 degree, M equal 1 by root. ठीक है? Second, if the gradients are given, Suppose that m equal 1, then theta equal 45 degree. M equal root 3, m equal 1 by root 3. See the third question. Third question, suppose that suppose that this is x axis and this is y axis, both intersect at the origin, and if a line is drawn which is parallel to y axis, देखो, if a line is drawn parallel to y axis, then the distance of this line is measured along x axis. मेजर करेंगे ना x axis से if the line is drawn, this line is drawn parallel to y axis, then the distance of this line is along x axis, and suppose that this distance is a, so the equation of this line is x equal, ठीक है. Similarly, what is the equation of this line? If this is y axis and this is x axis, origin and this line is at a distance from y axis, then what is the equation of this line? X equal minus a, या x plus a equal 0. Similarly, this is x minus a equal 0, because distance are measured along x axis. Similarly, if the line is drawn parallel to x axis and suppose that this distance is b, then what is the equation of this line? बोलो, what is the equation of this line? Y equal b, because the distance of this line is b along y axis. So y equal b or y minus b equal 0. Similarly, if this is the distance measured along y axis, which is parallel to x axis, at a distance minus b, then what is the equation of this line? Y equal minus b or y plus b equal. These are the equation of a line. There is some other equation of line. So here the question is, see the third part, third question number third, and the first question is, can I find the equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis, which is x-axis parallel to x-axis means distance is along y-axis. Then if it is 2 units above it, then what is the equation? Y equal to, मतलब y minus 2 equal 0. And second part, 3 units below it, y equal minus 3 or y plus 3 equal 0. चलो fourth में आ जाओ. If it is parallel to y axis, then 3 units to the right, what is the equation of this line? X minus 3 equal, because it is x equal 3, then x minus 3 equal 0. Now 2 units to the left, x plus 2 equal 0. So question number 5. Question number 5. See the question number 5. देखो 1, 2, 3. This is minus 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 5. So the intersection of these 2 points is here, and this is minus 3 and 5. Clear, right? This is minus 3 and 5. And the question is, a line is passing through this point and parallel to y axis. This is the line. This is the line which is passing through this point and parallel to y axis. Now see and tell me what is the equation of this line? बोलो. What is the equation of this line? X equal minus 3, मतलब x plus 3 equal 0. अभी देखा है ना पैरेलल के केस में, तो x plus x equal minus 3 और x plus 3 equal 0. Clear है? Next, 2 units to the left. 2 units to the left. अच्छा ये हो गया. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में आ जाओ. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. Where a slope means m is given, m and c is given. Can you find the equation? By using the equation y equal mx plus 3. Here put the value m equal 3 and c is minus 5. M equal 3, y equal 3x minus 5 because it is given na m equal 3 and c is minus 5. It is given. So the equation of this line is y equal 3x minus 5. Clear है? बोलो. Question number 4. The third part. What is the equation of this line? Y equal. बोलो. Y equal under root 3x plus minus 4 by 3. ठीक है. ग्रेडियंट भी स्लोप होता है m. तो y equal under root 3x minus 4 by 3. But you will simplify here. How will you simplify the y equal under root 3x minus 4 by 3? Take the LCM and 3y equal 3 root x 3 under root 3x minus 4. LCM is to multiply in all the term and then transpose 3y minus 3 under root 3 x plus 4 equal 0. This is the required equation of line. ठीक है भाई 3 का पूरे मल्टीप्लाई कर दो ये 3y हो जाएगा 3x यहाँ 3 मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे कैंसिल हो जाएगा ट्रांसपोज कर देना दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड लाइन. क्लियर है? चलो. And question number 6 का fourth part. If theta equal 30 degree, then slope equal 1 by 1. Can you find the equation of line? Okay. So come to the question number 7. You have to find the y-intercept means to find the value of c. Convert the given equation in the form of y equal mx plus c and then equate. Okay. Do the first part, everyone. Do first part, all of you. Convert in the form of y equal mx plus c. Have you find the equation? What is the equation? The equation is x minus 2y minus 1 equals 0. Then x minus y equals 2y. Divide by 2, 1 by 2, x minus 1 by 2 equals y. Bolo. Clear है ना? And here is what is to determine y-intercept. Then what is c? Equal minus 1 by 2. Do the fourth part. Fourth part is x by 3 plus y by 4 equal 1. Find y-intercept. Take LCM. Simplify. Make in the form of y equal mx plus c and then equate. Done. This is equal to 4x plus 3y equal 12. ठीक है ना? Directly लो 4 into x 3 into y total upon 4 into 3 12 12 to the cross multiply. Then 3y equal how much? Minus 4x plus 12. Then y equal minus 4 was a clear. Then C is what? 4. Now do the sixth part. Sixth part. X minus 3 equals 0. X minus 3 equals 0. Y intercept 0 because there it is parallel to y axis. अब समझ में आ गया? क्यों देखो x minus 3 equal 0 means x equal 3 आ गया and if x equal 3 means the line is passing parallel to y axis. This is the distance which is at x equal 3. So this is the line parallel to y axis. So the y intercept is 0. Clear है? Y intercept is 0. Now tell me, so fifth part में क्या आएगा? Y minus 3 equal 0. बोलो y minus 3 equal 0. What is y intercept? 3. भाई वजह y intercept equal 3 देखो इसको आप लिख सकते हैं ना y equal 0 into x plus 3 लिख सकते हैं ना भाई 3 इधर ट्रांसपोज कर दो एंड अगर इक्वेट कर रहे हैं तो y equal mx plus c आ जाएगा तो c equal 3 m जो 0 है ना स्लोप 0 है बट c is how much 3 y intercept is 3. Question number 9 and this is important question. Question number 9 important है. You know there are two lines. Here I am going to draw the line. Question number 9. This one is a line and this one is a line and this angle is theta. This is y equal under 3x minus 1 and this is y equal no. This is y equal x plus 1 and this is y equal under 3x minus 1. The question is find the inclination angle and then find the angle theta. ठीक है? You know angle is always measured from positive x-axis. ठीक है? तो first of all to find the angle we compare the given equation of line with y equal mx plus c. So see this equation is y equal under root 3x plus minus 1. What is the value slope? What is slope? Slope is under root 3. Theta equal 60 degree. M equal root 3. So tan theta equal root tan 60. ठीक है? Theta equal 60. मतलब for this angle. So this is the angle 60 degree. This is the angle 60 degree, not this one. ये 60 डिग्री है क्योंकि हम इस एंगल के इस लाइन के एंगल फाइंड कर रहे हैं ना कि थीटा की बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है? बात समझ में आ रहा है? सपोज दैट दिस वन इज थीटा 1. नहीं तो आप ऐसे कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे कि थीटा यहाँ ऑलरेडी दे रखा है. अब देखो if you are taking this one y equal x plus 1 then m equal 1 tan theta equal tan 45 theta equal theta to suppose कर लो 45 so this angle is 45. Can you find theta by which method? Exterior angle property. Exterior angle is equal to sum of opposite to interior angle. Then what is the value of theta? बोलो what is the value of theta? 15 degree. ठीक है? तो theta plus 45 equal 60 degree. Theta equal 60 minus 45 equal 15 degree. This is the value of theta and this is most important. So note down. ओके, चलो पहले क्वेश्चन पे चलते हैं। Now see the come to the question number 12. Question number 12. And in this question, it is to find the value of E and M. ठीक है? So how can you find? By just satisfying the given equation by 2 points, you will get two equations in term of M and C, and then you will solve as a linear equation. Then you solve with two variable as a ठीक है, and then can find the value of M and C. Then the question number 12. Do pass students y equal mx plus c, satisfy this equation by 1/4, means put the value of x1 and y equal 4, make the equation in terms of m and c. जल्दी करो। x के जगह पे 1 रख दे, y के जगह पे 4 रख दे, m और c में इक्वेशन मिलेगा, and that will be the first equation. And in the second equation, to make the second equation, you will satisfy by -2 -5. Then you will get another equation in terms of m and c, and then solve these two equations to get the value of m and c. Do fast everyone. Done? What is the value of m and c? 3 and 3 and 1? Yes. Okay. See the question number 15. Question number 15. Find the equation of a line whose inclination is 60 degree and which passes through the point. You know the equation. See here, the equation of a line passing through a point y minus y1 equal m into x minus x1. This is the equation of a line which passes through the point. Here m is what? Tan theta. Now the point x1 y1 is given and theta is given. Theta is how much? 60 degree. ठीक है? So just you will put here the value y minus y1 is what? Y1 is what? This question 15 na? -3. So -3 and here tan 60 x minus 0. Okay, x coordinate is 0 given. So this is y plus 3 equal under root 3x. So y minus under root 3x plus 3 equal 0, and this is your equation of line. ठीक है? Okay. Students, up to question number 19. See and tell me if there is any problem in any question. Do fast within seconds. Read yourself question numbers up to 19 and see if there is any problem. Share with me. In any question up to 19. Question number 19. Question number 19. Here find the equation of a line passing through the points P51, P51 and Q1 minus 1, and then so that PQR are जो दे रखा है 11 4 are collinear. So first of all, here there are 2 points. The question is find the equation of a line passing through these 2 points. Then what is the equation of line? Y minus y1 equal y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 into x minus. This is the equation of a line passing through 2 points. Here x1, y1, x2, y2 is given. Just put the value and find the equation in terms of x and y. Do fast. जल्दी करो. x1 y1 x2 y2 की वैल्यू रखे और xy में इक्वेशन फाइंड करो y minus y1 1 equal -1 -1 1 minus 5 x minus x1 ये आ जाएगा y minus 1 minus 2 minus 4 x minus 5 this one is 2 2y minus 2 equal x minus 5 2y minus x plus 3 equal 0 I hope everyone has up to this equation सबका यही आ रहा है चेक कर लें अपना कैलकुलेशन चेक कर लो 2y minus x plus 3 equal 0 सबका सेम आना चाहिए सेम आ रहा है 2y minus x plus 3 equal 0 now the question is कि 11 4 is p q r are the collinear collinear means these point lie on a same line ठीक है देखो if there are 3 points this is a line and there are 3 points p q r then the line will satisfy by point p point q and point r so you have find this line and if r is also on this point so this will satisfy so put the value of x equal 11 and y equal 4 in this equation and see left hand side right hand side are equal or not if it is equal then that are collinear ठीक है और भी तरीके हैं कोलिनियर का पहले आप चेक कर लो फिर बताते हैं ठीक है ना put the value x equal 11 and y equal 4 and check left hand side right hand sides are equal so you may say p q r are collinear here 2 into 4 minus 11 plus 3 equal 0 8 plus minus 11 plus 3 equal 0 11 minus 11 equal 0 0 equal 0 hence you may write p q r are collinear ठीक है क्लियर है ना और भी देखो अदर मेथड आर आल्सो टू फाइंड द collinear you know from class 9 formula you know if there are 3 points x1 y1 q x2 y2 and r x3 y3 there are 3 points and these are collinear then how can you prove these things if p q plus qr equal pr this is the first method by using distance formula and the second method is by using slope method slope of pq equal slope of qr clear अगर pq का स्लोप qr के इक्वल होगा तभी कोलिनियर होगा मतलब y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 equal y3 minus y2 upon x3 minus ठीक पॉइंट्स दिए रहेंगे जो अभी आपके क्वेश्चन में दिया था ना पी क्यू और आर तो वहां पे x1 y1 x2 y2 x3 y3 दिया हुआ है वहां भी अगर ये वैल्यू रखोगे तब भी सेम आएगा लो और थर्ड क्या है थर्ड इज व्हाट एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इक्वल 0 area of triangle equal 0 and you know by the 3 points there is a triangle if triangle form if these are not collinear अगर तीनों कोलिनियर नहीं होंगे ज्वाइन करोगे तो ट्रायंगल बनेगा ही बनेगा ठीक है और अगर ट्रायंगल नहीं बन रहा है लाइन बन रहा है तो इसका मतलब एरिया 0 है ट्रायंगल बना ही नहीं व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला फॉर द एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल 1/2 x1 y1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x1 y1 minus plus x3 y1 minus y2। एक फॉर्मूला था ना, अगर आपने पढ़ा होगा किसी मतलब 9th या क्लास में, वही फॉर्मूला था, ठीक है। और नहीं पढ़ा होगा तो आगे कभी मिल जाएगा आपको। एरिया ऑफ ट्रायंगल इज आल्सो इक्वल टू 0, so these are the method to prove the given 3 points are collinear। क्लियर है, ठीक है। चलो क्वेश्चन नंबर, अब इसके आगे के जो क्वेश्चन जितने भी हैं वो सभी बोर्ड के क्वेश्चन हैं। तो एवरी क्वेश्चन यू विल सी हियर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, see the question number 20, question number 20, this is from 2014, and find the value of a for which a b c are collinear, then what will you apply here? Slope of ab equals slope of bc, and do there to find the value of it. Do fast, do fast. A3, B21 and C5A. These are collinear already given, ठीक है। So find the collinear value of it by just doing the slope equal of AB equal BC. Slope of AB equal slope of BC, ठीक है। मतलब 1 minus by 2 minus by 1 upon x2 minus x1 equal y3 minus y2 upon x3 minus x, ठीक है। -2 divided by 2 minus a minus 1 upon 5 minus 2 3, 2 3 ja 6 equal, do the multiply, 2 into 8, 2a minus 2 plus a square plus a, ठीक है। So this is equal to a square plus 3a minus नहीं plus 6 minus 2 for equal 0। क्लियर है, बोलो क्लियर है ना। y2 minus y1 1 minus 3 divided by x2 minus y2 minus x2 minus x1 2 minus a, ये minus 2 हो गया, 2 minus a आ गया। y3 minus y2 a minus 1 x3 minus x2 5 minus 2 3 आ गया। क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई minus 6 या माइनस a स्क्वायर, हाँ यहाँ पे ठीक है, 2a माइनस a स्क्वायर और a का फिर माइनस नहीं कहाँ से मल्टीप्लाई माइनस 6 2a माइनस a स्क्वायर, ये हो गया 2a माइनस 2 माइनस a स्क्वायर प्लस a, ठीक है। ये आ गया माइनस a स्क्वायर और 2a और a कितना आ गया 3a और माइनस 6 प्लस, ठीक है। दिस इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर माइनस 3a माइनस 4 इक्वल 0। डिवाइड कर दो भाई, माइनस से डिवाइड कर दो, ये माइनस a स्क्वायर है ना, 2a और a 3a आएगा और ये माइनस 6 से इधर जाएगा तो प्लस 6 हो जाएगा, प्लस 6 माइनस 2 प्लस 4 आएगा। पूरे में माइनस से डिवाइड करने का मतलब साइन चेंज करना। अब इसका फैक्टर करोगे तो मिडिल टर्म स्प्लिट माइनस a स्क्वायर माइनस 4a प्लस a माइनस 4 इक्वल 0, ठीक है ना। मिडिल टर्म माइनस 3a को माइनस a 4a प्लस a लिखेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई भी आएगा 4 into 1 माइनस 4, a कॉमन लेंगे a माइनस 4 or plus 1 a minus 4 equal 0. So there are two values of a. One is a minus 4 and a plus 1 equal 0. Either a minus 4 equal 0 or a plus 1 equal 0. So either a equal 4 or a equal minus. So here there are cases arises. ठीक है? If you will take a equal minus a equal 4, then the points are 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4. ठीक है? And if a equal minus 1, then the points are minus 1, 3, 2, 1, 5 or minus 1. But the question is find the value of a, then you will say there are two values of a 4 and minus 1, and the equation is also of two equations. First one, if a equal 4. ठीक है? So next come to the next step. If a equal 4, इक्वेशन भी तो फाइंड करना है ना, तो आप कहोगे if a equal 4, then equation of line passing इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन, बस इतना ही कह दो इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन लिखो, क्योंकि देखो जो इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन इन दोनों से पास करेगा वही इससे पास करेगा, सेम इक्वेशन आएगा, कोई तो किसी दो पॉइंट से पास कर लेंगे। तो इनके लिए ले रहा है if a equal to 4 then a y माइनस यहाँ से देखो 4 3 और ये हो गया 2 और, ठीक है, इनसे इक्वेशन पास करा देंगे y माइनस y1 इक्वल y2 माइनस y1 अपॉन x2 माइनस x1 इंटू x माइनस, ठीक है, और सिंप्लीफाई टू गेट द आंसर y माइनस 3 इक्वल माइनस 2 अपॉन माइनस 2 x माइनस 4, ये 1 आ गया, y माइनस 3 इक्वल x माइनस 4, y माइनस x प्लस 1 इक्वल, दिस इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ लाइन। इक्वेशन हो गया, ये एक इक्वेशन हो गया, इसके बाद दूसरा भी आएगा, दो आंसर इसके देंगे, ठीक है, फिर कहोगे इफ a इक्वल माइनस 1, ठीक, ओके स्टूडेंट, बात तो इतना ही हो गया, बाकी कल से आप लोगों का प्री बोर्ड है, बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर द प्री बोर्ड। और अंशिका बिल्कुल लास्ट में आई हो आप, अभी तक क्लासेस जो कि आपने सब अटेंड किया है, ऑनलाइन तो अटेंड किया ही है, ठीक है, ओके, बेस्ट ऑफ लक स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू।